You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 17 over 16. Let's solve it step by step. Cancel out the negatives. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 15 over 16 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. And so the final result is y equals 17 over 16.